Okay, one of the things that we do on a weekend is to bathe our puppy. Okay, he's not a puppy anymore, he's a dog. His name is Milo. Like any other dog, he doesn't like bathing. We had to chase him. Yeah, you agree, yeah? Okay, we had to chase him from outside for him to get his bath. So his heart is racing. Shame. Okay, I'm gonna put him down. We've been using this brand. Okay, this is my favorite brand. Animology. Puppy Love. He's not a puppy anymore, but I think I haven't outgrown it. But we did try another brand. I forgot what it was called, but I thought it had a very medical smell. How do you call it when something has a very medical smell? Clinical. This is more water, by the way. I think Milo has used his bathtub more than the human beings in the house. I start with his back or all the rest of his body, excluding the head, because he shakes his head a lot. And when he shakes his head, everything gets wet, so the head is the last thing I do. Ideally, I should be brushing his hair first, but he hates it. It's not tangled, so it's fine. I'll try to brush that after he is dry. Okay, there are no cracks. And then I'll go for his legs now. Oops. So it's clear, this is what it looks like. If it's even visible. Oh, okay. He's jumping around. Yeah, man, I should have known when he started climbing on the car that he's picking up some good skills. Before he couldn't jump, but nowadays he's like, see what I mean? If his head was wet, we'll all be wet. Okay, hind legs, please come to you. Thank you. Let's go, just massaging his paws. Okay, another hind leg. Same thing. Tiny paw that's dirty, there's that brown water going down. And then I use the water in here. I usually run the pipe, but he hates that, so I only do that for his head so that it's not pushed up. I usually just clean the bathtub. Then I wash his head. That's when I do the shower. Like that. Okay, give him a nice massage. And now I go to his head, just balancing the temperature, ensuring that it's fine. Okay. So one thing about Yorkies is that they have a lot of eye holes. It's called the Coco Entry and Malanga Ingoga. I don't know what you call it. Tell me what you call Malanga in your language. Those things that you wake up with. So that's one of the focus areas. I usually don't rub it in too much when I'm washing it. I wash it off or like brush it off with a towel so that it's not uncomfortable. But the ones that I can get to, I do. Look at how disgusting that is. Oh. It went down. Here it is. Ew, it went in under my name.
Ew, disgusting.
That is just from one eye, by the way. Let's try to get the other one. Sorry. Here we go. Oh boy. Here's the other one. Then give him a very sweet massage. Nice. Yes. Yep, that's nice. And then I rinse off his face. There we have it. Now wet glasses so can we label the next appointments. And we are done. We let him air dry. Don't have it dry for him yet. And you like it, right? Because you get to run around. Yeah. One thing that's interesting about him is that he looks like a chihuahua when he's wet.
For how long do you let him do this?
Until he dries, he'll probably run off to the grass. I know you're like, oh, you just bathe them, then he goes to the grass. The grass falls off, it's okay. Let him be clean. I usually put 2 towels if you want. To the concrete.
Camera?
But there you go. See? Okay, he's back. Interesting. He likes the towel nowadays. Usually she prefers the grass, but I guess I should have put towel. There we go. Are you dry? No? I just ensure that he doesn't run into the house because usually he uses the couch as one of his drying things. Here we go, wash it. I'll see whether I will brush him or not. I prefer not to because he doesn't like it. And he just only has hair on his face.